Hello student, today we will learn English lesson number 1.5. Now ninth B began to play cautiously. Cautiously means very carefully, without taking any risk. Mihir, one of their raider, even managed to tag Sohan in ninth A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategy and they were fine. The remaining three players from ninth B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved backward. He scored. The three anti-rider also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-riders still hanging on to his arm. Oh, the whole of the ninth B team was declared out. So now ninth B began to play cautiously. So Mihir, he was from ninth, even managed to tag Sohan. Sohan was from ninth A. And nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid and he always played with strategy and worked fine. The remaining three players from ninth B trapped Vivek. Then what he did, he slowly moved back toward his court. The three anti-rider also moved with him. So जो नाइन्थ बी के जो थे, नाइन्थ बी का जो मिहिर था, उसने क्या किया, सोहन को टैग करने की कोशिश की. बाद में विवेक ने भी क्या किया, विवेक जो कि ये नाइन्थ ए का था, इसको पकड़े नाइन्थ बी के तीन. और विवेक ने क्या किया, उसने वो तीनों को अपने कोर्ट में लेके गया, उनको उनके होम ग्राउंड में वो लेके गया टीम की ओर. और इस तरह से क्या हो गया, वो पैर फिसल गया और नाइन्थ भी आउट डिक्लेयर हो गए. नाइन्थ ए एक्चुअली मैनेज टू गेट 3 more bonus points of Lona. He was an icing on the cake. What an annual score! He sat the head of ninth B rallying. So नाइन्थ ए ने क्या किया, बहुत ही अच्छा मैनेज किया. उनको बोनस पॉइंट मिला जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, लोना बोलते हैं. तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया. इट वॉज एन आइसिंग ऑन द केक. आइसिंग ऑन द केक मीन्स समथिंग एडेड टू ए गुड वन. After the half-time break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence. Now, their confidence level was high because 9th A was playing very good. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace rider Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9th B in all the area of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategy, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9th B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. So 9th A, they have gained the confidence and once again they managed to play on the ground. And that time three riders, 9th A wanted to catch hold of ace rider, who were there, Ajinkya, Ravi and Mohan. So 9th A, they have played very good, very carefully they played and they made 9th B to be declared out. In this way 9th A showed their spirit, team spirit, their confidence, their strategy, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to बीट 9th B who had never tasted defeat earlier. इसके पहले 9th B कभी हारा नहीं था, लेकिन अभी 9th A के साथ में खेलने के बाद अभी क्या होने लगा, हारने लगे थे. Kabaddi is an Asian sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries. so that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. So ancient kabaddi is an Asian sport. It originated in India and has become popular in other country also. Next is in kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. Now you all of you very well know, while playing kabaddi we have to draw the middle line, and there are two teams of 7 members. The game is actually played in two halves with a half time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. To play the game, each team sends rider across the midline to the other team. The rider tried to tag the opponent and run back to his side all in one breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. So हम जब कबड्डी खेलते हैं तो कबड्डी 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 ये चैंट हम करते बोलते हैं, या खो खो अपना तू करते हैं तुम लोग. If he has to inhale again, he is out. The opponent tries to catch the rider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the rider manages to go back successfully, all the person he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus point, a lona. The team with the maximum points win the match. The game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skill, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Who would like to be an ace kabaddi player when you are a little older? Who know, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. Now we continue with the exercise of your workbook. Question number 5. Explain the meaning of the following idiom. To inch toward, to move forward very slowly, to prove one's mettle, to prove how tough one is, cheer in the air, to give a shout of encouragement for someone, to tag someone, to go along with someone, and icing on the cake, something that is added to another good one. To make a resolution, to do with, bring firmly determined about something. Now next is read the following words and name the degree of comparison shown by each word. Now here positive, comparative and superlative, all these words are given. This you have to do on your own. You have to make out which word will come under positive degree, under comparative degree and superlative degree. Good, better, best. Now good is what? Positive. Better is what? Comparative. And best is what? Superlative. Like that, rest of the words you have to write in the proper column. Bad, worse, worst. High, higher, highest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Next question is complete the following sentence using your own idea. The princess was as dash as dash. Now in bracket I have written the positive degree. So here you have to write the positive form of this. The princess was as dash as dash. So positive degree word you have to write here. The princess was dash then dash. Comparative degree. The princess was the dash amongst all dash. Superlative. Next question is compare an elephant and a giraffe. An elephant is dash then a giraffe. So word is given here that you have to write the word here. So which one will come? Positive degree will come or superlative will come or comparative degree. A giraffe is dash then an elephant. In bracket tall is given word. An elephant has got a dash nose, long. A giraffe has got a dash neck then an elephant, long. A giraffe has got dash ears then an elephant, small. An elephant has got dash legs then a giraffe, short. So this is very easy. Describe in your own word the important event in the first half. So the answer is given. The match began with 9th A winning the toss. They sent their rider Govind, which swiftly touched Suresh from 9th B and scored a point. Then 9th B sent their rider ace player Ravi. Ravi whistled down Mangesh, a strong player from 9th A. However, Mangesh saved himself. He scored 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were declared out. Then Mihir from 9th B managed to attack Sohan from 9th A. After this came Vivek's right. The remaining 3 players from 9th B caught his arm and tried to pull him back, but he went across the mid-line with the anti-rider hanging on to arm. Thus, the whole of 9th B team was declared out. Next question is write in your own word what happened in the second half. The second half time break was over. The star players of 9th A were brimming with confidence. They did not ignore by catching hold of ace rider Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. As they say, the best team wins. 9th A displayed excellent in all areas of the game. They emerged the winner. This coupled with team spirit, their confidence, strategy, swiftness and suppleness helped them emerge the winner, beating 9th B, a team which had never been defeated in any game of Kabaddi. So this is the exercise. Here we complete our portion for first unit test. Do revision and this much for the day. Thank you so much.